Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying firmware and iOS because software can mask hardware issues. Once done, remove ear tips and visually inspect the optical and proximity sensors on each stem. Dirt and earwax block signals. Make sure the case charging contacts are clean. Use a soft brush and a 70% isopropyl swab. Never pour liquid. Take photos if you need to compare sides later. This first sweep rules out simple fixes and gets you into targeted cleaning and resets. Next, you clean carefully and perform a reset because persistent sensor faults often come from grime or a software handshake error. Use a dry brush on sensor openings, then lightly moisten a swab with 70% isopropyl to remove residues. Avoid excess liquid. After cleaning, reset by forgetting the device in Bluetooth and holding the case setup button for 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. Repair with your device and test in both ears and with another audio app to isolate the issue. For final verification, swap AirPods between ears and try a second phone, since that distinguishes a single bud fault from a phone or profile issue. Make sure automatic ear detection is enabled in Bluetooth settings. Changing it off then on can reinitialize the sensor logic. If you still see erratic behavior, collect diagnostics, photos of sensors, firmware version, and a short video of the symptom. Then contact Apple support or an authorized service provider. Provide those files to speed repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.